In this tutorial, we're going to step through the process of uploading art onto Sparkshot. But first, what is Sparkshot? Sparkshot is a platform that enables artists to crowdfund the launch of new art using a novel system of micropayments for pixels. Once art is launched onto the website, the image is hidden from view, and then the role of the community is to release the art by revealing the pixels, cementing their interactions with messages that get added to the art's permanent record. The key difference here is the artist is able to crowdfund the release of the art and earn money for creating cool content. So we can see from our main view here, we have a selection of art that's already been uploaded to the site, and it's in different states of reveal, some more than others. And we also have a gallery feature on the site which showcases art that's been fully revealed. When artists upload to the site, they choose an image, and they also set a title and description. This helps users take a guess on whether this is the type of artwork for them. We also allow the artwork to be tagged, so that the art can be categorized down to particular styles, genres, themes, and that helps the users find the particular types of art that they're interested in. Sparkshot accepts artwork up to 1000 by 1000 resolution. And one of the things to be careful about here is the larger the artwork, the more pixels, therefore the longer it takes to reveal. So whilst the more pixels that you have, the more you can earn, it also means that the art may take longer to be revealed. So let's step through the process of uploading our first piece of art to the website. So we simply have to hover over the paintbrush icon here and select the upload option. From this panel here we can select our image, and I've already picked one for this tutorial. So as soon as the image is selected, we see it appear on the left hand side, as well as the fields that we've just seen on the right hand side. I'll step through each one of these. I'm not being exactly creative here, but it's worth taking your time to think about cool titles and descriptions that might capture the audience. As you can see, we automatically fill the web address out, but you can customize that into something else that you would like. But note that the web addresses are unique, so if somebody's already claimed that, you have to think of something else. Now for this piece of art here, we can give it a couple of descriptors to help our audience find it. So for this one we can say it's pixel art, and it's also a video game character. So anybody browsing the site that's looking for perhaps pixel art or video games will discover this art, and hopefully it's something that will appeal to them. Now the next two fields, Twitter and email, are actually not tied to the art itself. They're just a way of Sparkshot getting in touch with you as the artist to let you know the artwork has gone live. And the final section here is the price file. This is crowdfunded and monetized artwork, so we have to set a price point. By default, Sparkshot sets 1 Satoshi per pixel. Satoshi is a base unit of currency within Bitcoin. And artists are able to upload their own price file and set the price per pixels as they see fit. If we hover over this section here, it gives us details on how that works. A price file is a grayscale image, this is the same size of the artwork that's been uploaded. We take 8 shades of grey from black to white, and we set the price point accordingly. So any pixel marked in black will be 16 Satoshis. Any pixels marked in white will be 0.125 Satoshis. And the shades in between will fit, as you can see here on the screen. 8, 4, 2, 1, half, and 0.25. So I prepared an image here to help explain this. Once we've selected the image from the file browser, we can now hover our mouse over and see what the price file looks like on top of the artwork. And you'll see that I've marked some of the pixels in black, so the campfire here is 16 Satoshis per pixel. The character flash is an in-between state, probably about 2 Satoshis per pixel. And the background here is in white, so that's 0.125 Satoshis per pixel. Now it's not just about setting the price of the pixels, it's also about communication with the audience. When somebody's browsing your artwork and the pixels haven't yet been revealed, they will see the price points of each pixel. So as they hover around and they come across this area of pixels here, they'll see that they're marked at 16 Satoshis per pixel. Now that's a way of you, the artist, indicating to the user that there might be something interesting to see here. So maybe think about your artwork and the price points, and think about the areas that you want to direct the users towards. And then you can use the price file to do that. You'll also notice that I set the word hello in there, which doesn't correspond to the artwork. But it's an interesting point where anybody picking out these pixels, they may find these certain price ones here and see there's a hidden message within the price file. It's an interesting way of using the communication of the price file as an artist to talk to the community. So have a play about with this and think about how you want to set the prices for your pixels. So now that the information is complete, we'll go on to the next section. So we've got all the information set now. The next thing to do is to sign our artwork to prove that we are the artist. So instead of signing it in a traditional way, we do a cryptographic signature. Now you can see there's two options here. We have auto and manual. Manual we're not going to cover in this video, and this is for anybody that's already comfortable with Bitcoin wallets and may have experience in signing messages themselves. If that doesn't make any sense to you, then that's okay, because the auto does that for us. One new piece of information that we'll see here under auto is this address. This is actually our artist address that's been generated for us by the Sparkshot wallet. This is how our artist will be known on the website, and any subsequent artwork that we upload will be under the same address. The reason why we sign our artwork is so we can prove that we're the artist for things like payments and account information. Because we're the only people that have access to this secret information, it means that nobody else can forge our signature. So let's look at what that information is by pressing the button. What we have here is a repeat of the artist address, as well as this new section which is the seed phrase. Now this in particular is a BIP39 seed phrase, which might not make much sense right now, but is actually used in Bitcoin wallets to generate addresses. So here we've got our own Bitcoin wallet, which we've done to generate this address. Now the 12 words that you'll see on your screen will be unique to you. They'll be different from the ones that you see here, and please don't copy these ones down, as this is now public information. When you write down your words, keep them somewhere safe, make sure that nobody sees them. Anybody with access to these words will have full control of the artist and any earnings that the artist makes. Should anything happen to the browser, or you want to migrate this wallet over to another piece of software, you will use these 12 words to recreate this wallet. We only prompt this screen on the first time you upload, and any subsequent uploads will skip this automatically. So let's proceed now with the upload. And there we have it. The artwork has now been uploaded to Sparkshot and is just waiting for validation on our servers. If you supplied your Twitter account or email address, you'll get a message to notify you once that process is complete. You can open this web address into a new window and prepare to share it out with your community once the artwork has gone live. And that's it. If you've got another piece of artwork here, you can go straight up and upload another one, or you can close this window and browse the rest of the site until your artwork has been validated. Thanks for taking this short trip through the upload tutorial. If you've got any questions or comments, please add them below, or get in touch with us on social media. All the links are in description.